Okay folks, here's our CAD system. Show you a little before and after. So this is going to be the before. We would have to call on up this, choose what post we wanted, do all this stuff, post it out. And each one of these is a mouse click, and then we'd have to go and save as, and go and find drill 20, and then we could save it. Boom. Okay? That was before. This is the after. All I do is I push one button, and here I go. Does everything for me. Hands are off the keyboard, hands are off the mouse. Puts everything in. Boom. There you go. Plain and simple. Wanted to post it and save it to that machine? That's what I do.